Hello, all my beginning saxophone players. This is your video lesson number 2. Make sure that you have your saxophone ready to go, a good reed, adjust your neck strap. Anytime during this video, if you need to pause in order to either play something again or to get something adjusted like that, please feel free to do so. Okay? We are going to make sure we have our standard of excellence, the red book for book 1. But first we're going to do some warm-up, some long tones. What I'd like to do today is have you, of course, start out on a G, and we're going to hold it out for a whole note. So lick your reed, make sure it's nice and moist. 3 fingers, curl your bottom lip nice and tight over your bottom teeth, and make sure that you don't put too much mouthpiece in your mouth. It sounds a little bit better if you just have kind of the tip of the mouthpiece inside your mouth. Like that. You don't want to look like you're eating it. Okay, lick your reed, curl your bottom lip over your bottom teeth, small amount of mouthpiece, 3 fingers down. Let's blow a G. Ready, play. Very good. Let's do a few more notes to warm up. Let's try an A. Hold it out for a whole note. Big breath. Ready, and let's try a B. First finger, hold it out. Ready, and good. Let's go to the C. Second key. Ready, play. And then let's go to the D. Remember, thumb with the octave key, 3 fingers, and 3 fingers. Curl your bottom lip over your bottom teeth, and let's play a D. Ready, and very nice. What I'd like to do with you today is work a little bit about tonguing. Now, we've talked about tonguing in your lessons, but it's sometimes a little bit of a tricky concept for beginning players. So we're just going to review that a little bit. Remember, when you tongue the notes, your tongue right here literally touches the reed right here at the start of each note. So what we're going to do, we're going to blow a whole note. Keep that air going, and then blow again like that with the air going for 4 counts, but use your tongue to separate the notes. So it's going to go like this. Listen first. So a whole note, then 4 quarter notes, tonguing each one. Let's try it again. Like you read, curl your bottom lip over your bottom teeth. Okay, just a little bit of mouthpiece in your mouth. Whole note, then 4 quarter notes. Ready? And good. Let's do that for an A. Again, whole note and 4 quarter notes. Curl your bottom lip over your bottom teeth. Ready? And good. Let's do it on a B. Same thing. Whole note and 4 quarters. Ready? Play. Then let's go to the C. Ready? Here we go. And the main thing we want to do is try to get that tonguing going. Very good. And let's continue our warm-up for a little bit. Let's have everyone turn way back to page 9. We did this so long ago. This should be easy for you to do. We're going to play Merrily We Roll Along, which is Mary Had a Little Lamb. And I want you to be sure that you tongue each note. Here we go. Please turn to page 9, number 23. Are you ready? Curl your bottom lip over your bottom teeth. Tongue every note. 1, 2, and ready, play. And we're not going to do the repeat unless if you made a mistake or you'd like to try it again, maybe a little faster, you can pause the video and do the repeat. Let's continue. Let's look, please, at page 13. On page 13, we're going to look at number 44. It's called Warm Up. Now, there are fermatas over each of the whole notes. Let's not do those today because truthfully, till you hold it for 4 counts, that's probably enough. But I do want you to notice in the fourth measure, we go down to the F sharp. We haven't played that yet today. Your F sharp is 3 fingers on the top hand, 2nd finger on the bottom hand. And when you go from an A to an F sharp, you add a finger on each hand. The ring finger here, 2nd finger here. A, do this with me, to F sharp. Let's all try number 44. It's only half notes and whole notes, 2 beats, 4 beats. And we want to work on nice tone, but tongue at the beginning of each note, starting on your D. Ready, and. Okay, and since we're working on tonguing a lot today, how about we just continue with number 45. Now this is the page where 8th notes were introduced. Remember, the 8th notes are the ones that are connected with the beam. They look like this, okay? They go twice as fast as quarter notes. And this is when it is so important to be able to tongue, because you don't want to be going real quick like that. Just not enough time to stop your air. Just goes much easier. You just go with the tongue, okay? Look at number 45. Notice you have a quarter note on beat 1, a quarter note on beat 2, a pair of 8th notes on beat 3, and a quarter note on beat 4. So your rhythm goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Clap that with me. Ready? Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's all on a B. Let's do it all on a B. Curl your bottom lip over your bottom teeth. Okay? Little bit of mouthpiece and use your tongue. 1, 2, ready, play. Very nice. We're not going to do the repeat unless you want to on your own, and you can pause the video and do that. Let's continue though to number 47. Notice on this one, it's all on a C. And it's quarter note on beat 1, quarter note on beat 2, quarter note on beat 3, and a pair of 8th notes on beat 4. So you have 3 slower ones and then the 2 fast. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Let's do it all on a C. 1, 2, 3, ready, play. Okay, let's continue. Please turn to page 14. Here, the first one on page 14, number 50, is 8th note express. Notice it's a quarter note on beat 1, a pair of 8th notes on beat 2, a quarter note on beat 3, and a quarter note on beat 4. Let's do it. It goes 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, hold 4. No repeat. All on a D. Curl your bottom lip over your bottom teeth. Little bit of mouthpiece in the mouth and tongue. 1, 2, and ready, play. Not bad. Okay, could we please go ahead to number 51? Why not? Uses that same rhythm. I know we did this in the last video, but let's do it again. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, and ready, play. did you do? If you need to go back and try it again, fix a few mistakes, or if you couldn't quite keep up, please feel free to pause the video and do that. Let's continue now to number 53. In number 53, you have, excuse me, I meant to say 52. We're going to look at all the C's there, and notice the eighth notes come right at the very beginning of the measure. It goes 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest 4. Could you clap that little bit with me? Here we go. The first two measures. Let's clap and count. I'll count, you clap too. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest 4. All on a C. Good tonguing right here at the very beginning. Toot, toot, toot. Here we go. Curl your bottom lip over your bottom teeth. Little bit of mouthpiece. Make sure you tongue. Toot, toot, toot. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, and that was your eighth notes on beat 1. Let's continue and do, hey, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, right there on the next page. Why not? It's called Star Search. It's on page 15, number 60. Just a reminder about your fingerings here. It goes G, G, 3 fingers, and then the next note, add your octave key with your thumb, and the 3 fingers down here for D. Big change there. G, G, D, D, and it goes up to E, pick up a finger, and then down to D. Do those fingerings with me, please. G, G, D. Lots of fingers in the thumb. D, pick up the bottom finger. E, E, add the bottom finger for D. And then it goes to C, C, flip to B, B, add the next finger. A, G. I think we should be able to do this without any problem. Here we go. Ready? Curl your bottom lip over your bottom teeth. You knew I was going to say that. And what else am I going to say? Tongue the notes. Okay, here we go. Ready? And. After this video, some of you might want to try that again just to get all the right notes, or if you did it very well, maybe take it a little bit faster. It might sound a little better that way anyway. Hey, I hope all of you are doing well. Hope your classes are going well. Hope you're all healthy. And please be sure to play your instrument as many days of the week as you can. After all, you have probably a lot more time. No evening activities. Okay. Hey, thank you, and I will be in touch with you. Enjoy making music, and take care. Bye, saxophone players.